Hey guys, do you want to know how I turned this old Toyota Hiace into this Instagram worthy camper van? Well, here's my video guide. Hey guys, now I'm sure you've all seen on Instagram the hashtag vanlife trending and people turning these old beaten up vans into these beautiful tiny houses. So when I was in Australia last year, I roped in my friend Shaun from SL Kitchens, an amazing carpenter, and we turned this old beaten up Toyota Hiace into an Instagram worthy camper van. Here's how we got on. As you can imagine, I was pretty stoked with the end result and had some amazing surf trips along the east coast of Australia in this awesome off-the-grid tiny camper van. Now, if you guys are looking for more information on how to convert your van into an epic van life experience, make sure you check out the links in the description for my full van life guide. As always guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Yoo!